Ka Meghalaya Swimming Association kalas dang ya kejingi kop jingi ke balatip kum ka State Aquatic Championship arjar arpsau ka ba khat nyau hadu khat khanai terik unaitung arjar arpsau ha Krinolin Shillong ka jingtmu jong kani kejingi kop kalong banjit ikinong jingi ki ba kansai nadu ki sub junior but junior ke ban mi khmat ya jelas ya ka National Swimming Competition ka ban salong ha Odisha ha unailar arjar arpsau Karba kakardan senior kanlong ha Mangalore Karnataka hauju hiu bunai nailar arjar arpsau.
Best swimmer, sub junior girls, 10 to 12 years. With 2 gold medals, Anisha Pando.
But I could make you what I could make you power born the support for the you turn to it, the same, the system, the picture, but bon kabun tu likin medal. Jadi I want to go to the Simpat lah play jadi cuma
Best swimmer in the junior category 12 to 14 years. Junior boys 12 to 14 years. With a total medal tally of 5 medals, 3 golds and 2 silvers, may I consult number 10. Best swimmer, junior boys 12 to 14 years, may I consult number 10. And the best swimmer of the junior girls 12 to 14 years category, with a total of 4 medals, 3 gold medals and 1 bronze, Tibisha Jalewa. Best swimmers in the junior category 15 to 17 years. In the junior boys category 15 to 17 years, the best swimmer with a total tally of 5 medals, including 4 golds and 1 bronze, credit Jaden Running. The best swimmer, junior girls category 15 to 17 years, with 5 medals, with a total tally of 5 medals, all gold medals, Risuk Juroy.
Away ni kita cuba kita terang dia bagi yo kita. Kita ni kita bersibun belum air dah barok kini kita belum nak kita beri play buram
In the senior category, senior boys, the best swimmer in the senior boys category, Bantan Singhan Singwan, with a total of 5 medals, 4 gold and 1 bronze.